Today we're showing our Doall C-305NC. This is a 12-inch capacity, fully automatic, NC programmable bandsaw. It has an 1.25 inch blade. Right now we're programming it for 3 cuts. It's not going to feed because we're fooling it with a piece of wood in there. Has a variable speed blade drive, hydraulic blade tensioning, hydraulic shuttle feed. Serial number 490-92107. This is a 1992 machine. Had the mechanics go through it. These are excellent machine tools. Look at the beef on this machine. Things will last forever. Good heavy-duty machine, carbide blade guides, last forever. Heavy-duty production machine. Doall. Made in America, still supported. Minnesota manufacturing plant has parts available. Doall's all over the place. Service and parts. Thanks for viewing.